Welcome. So today we're going to give this 2012 Wrangler Moab a little bit of a freshen up, as well as we're going to do a review on our seesii 3/8 extended electric ratchet. Comes with a nice little carrying case, some extra sockets, 2 batteries, and a charger. So this is what we're going to be using to remove these Nerf bars down low, and then I'll have to get some adapters to remove the mud flaps or whatever you want to call them. So let's get after it. You're watching Whiskey Dads. Alright, as you can see, we have a pair of 10 millimeters. Oh, 13, pair of 10s, 13, pair of 10s, 13. So let's give the seesii, and you can also manually use this as well to get it started. That's a piece of cake. Yeah. This thing works awesome so far. Let me switch sockets and we'll try the bigger size. First one's off, hung up, got a coat of primer on it. Just letting this dry for a little bit, and then we'll hit it with some of this right here. Just letting it warm up a little bit. This is inside the house, and the house is like 66 degrees, so I figured I'd warm this paint up just a little bit in the sun before I put it on there. It's probably way overkill, but that's the color she likes, so that's what she's getting. You guys ready for this? Oh boy. It's so pink. Who does this? Oh, man. Well, I sure hope this kid likes it. It is very much pink. Oh, yeah. We'll let her dry for about 17 days and then we'll put it on. All right, got the other one primed, painted. It's very bright, very bright. And I don't know if you guys knew this or not, but these hand wipes from Oktane Garage actually take off any paint that you might have on your hands. It's quite amazing. So go check him out, please. All right, here's the big reveal. Oh, it is so pink. I still need to pull these off, get all that cleaned up. Thinking about maybe popping these caps out and painting them as well, all the way around. Hit them with some pink, but I gotta talk to Mallory about that. So there's one side done. Might as well throw the other side on real quick. All right, so I pull the fender guards off, and I'm painting those black. Doesn't look terrible. I mean, even though it is pink. Just stripping all this old stuff off. What a huge pain. Oh, and that wire wheel. Yeah, it got me. Whoops. That's why you should wear the right PPE. Not these stupid little gloves that should have had leathers on. But oh no, I was in a hurry. So, yeah, and that burn just pretty much healed right there. So it's like I'll have something to... Almost took off my tattoo. That's a close one. Yeah, I better get this cleaned up and put a Band-Aid on it, and then we'll finish this up. Move on to the next one. All right, we got it all sanded all off. Got all that rust off of there. Got some primer on it. We'll let this dry, and then we'll hit it with some of that vulcanized rubber stuff, like fender wells and stuff like that. So should look good enough. A lot better than it did. Of course, it's super windy out here, but here's the follow-up video. We got everything taken off and repainted, cleaned up. It looks pretty good. A lot better than it did. What do you guys think? You guys Jeep fans? This one is actually pretty sweet. All right, that's gonna do it for this week's episode. Yeah, I know it's a short one, but we got a little bit of work done. The seesii long neck 3/8 ratchet functioned really well. Comes with 2 batteries and then an assortment of sockets. They're all metric. I think it stops at 15, 17. 17, it goes down to 10, I believe. Basically the important one. One thing I really like about it is that you can manually tighten something. It just locks. Or you can manually untighten their bolt. But yeah. I highly recommend going out and getting one. And they're only $100. Can't beat that. I'm actually giving this one to Casey from Oktane Garage because he said he needed one. So here it is, buddy. Oh, so part of the reason why this is a short episode is because I have been sick as a dog for, I don't know, about a week. Yesterday, my throat got so bad that I couldn't hardly breathe. So I was just gonna go to CVS or whatever and get CVS, whatever, drugstore, and get some medicine for a sore throat. And I was like, well, just stick it out a little bit longer. It's got to be getting better by now. And as I was pulling in there, I took a drink and it was like I couldn't hardly swallow it. And I'm like, I'm going to the hospital. So I go to the hospital and they're like, it's a good thing you came in. Your throat is about to close. Apparently I had an infection around my tonsil, and the hospital they wanted me to go to or take me to was an hour away, and they wouldn't let me drive myself because they thought that it was closed enough to where anymore and I'm ready to, So I wait and they do all these tests and all this other stuff. My wife Amanda shows up, and like 2 hours later, I'm finally in the ambulance. When she could have drove me, could have drove myself. But anyways, it's racking the bill up. So I get there, and they have me hang out for like 3 hours, 4 hours, and this doctor comes in, and he's telling me what he's gonna do. Basically, he's gonna put a couple of incisions in my neck, and go in with his spreader thing, spread it, apply pressure, and push whatever's in there out. Well, oh boy. So he tries to numb it, and then, hits me with the Lightenol or whatever it is, to numb it. So he numbs it, and literally 30 seconds later, he's like ready to cut. And he's like, can you hold this for me? And I'm holding the suction thing for him. I'm like, why don't you get a nurse? So he's like, cuts me, sticks that thing in there, spreads it, and just the worst thing I've ever went through in my life. I wanted to snatch him up and throw him out the window. It hurt that bad. I'm like, you better hurry up, So he did the first one, gets down to the second one, and then he's flushing it out, and he's got this gigantic tube, and he's like, okay, hold the suction, and it's like, just dying in there. Anyways, so I don't know if I'm going to have an episode next week or not. I think I should maybe take it easy just a little bit. Hold on, buddy. Well, time out. Sorry. It was dad time. So anyways, he tried to drown me with this darn thing. Finally got it all done. I'm supposed to take it easy, but I don't know. I just want my voice to come back. So I'm not going to trouble you guys with this, but I think if I do have a video, it'll just be finishing up the giveaway truck. I talked to Jeremiah a while back, and he's cool with me delivering it whenever I get a chance. So The plan is get the brakes done, get it all fully detailed with, why am I having a brain fart? Super clean. I'm going to detail it head to toe, top to bottom with super clean. And yeah, we'll get it on truck, whatever else. So thanks for joining me. See you guys next time. Go see, there's a couple channels I need to mention. I'll be right back. Those other channels were John's, why am I drawing a blank now? Show Car Builder, I think is what his name. John's Show Car Builder. Sounds right. Look it up. He's trying to get to 1,000 subs. He's just about there. The other one is Treetop Garage. He's trying to get 1,000 himself, and he is doing $300 giveaway. So go check those guys out. And as always, please go check out Classic Car Revivals. He's working on a one-of-a-kind slick side Bronco, and it is awesome. I absolutely love it. I think if I ever get any of my projects done around here, I'd probably start one myself. Who else? Casey from High Octane Garage. Chad from Honest Peyton Speed Shop. Tanner from Tanner Rebuilds. He just hit 1,000. Congratulations, buddy. Who else? Glenn from 1776 Garage. The shirt I'm actually wearing today. So, just all merched out. Got a nice little hat from Honest Peyton. HPSS. Got my boy riding bike. Can you say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Is your favorite channel Whiskey Dance?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Who's your favorite uncle?
Uncle David.
From Classic Car Revivals?
Yeah.
Yeah, what a nice guy. All right, see you guys later. Have a great week. What you doing, boy? You ready for the project? Hey, ready for the 49 to show up so we can start putting some big wheels on it? Yeah, it's gonna be tough seeing this one go. 3 weeks or so, she'll be long gone. And then we'll start working on this again. I'm gonna try to get this one gone. And then we'll bring the 49 home. But I would love to do a couple of crew cab videos as well. I mean, why not? It's so close. I don't know what I'm waiting for. Realistically, a little bit of help in a week or two, this thing could be almost ready to drive. But, you know, it's so hard to get help. This guy always wants to help, but, well, you know how that goes.
Mama.
Yeah, with a hammer, hitting everything.
Last night we let the chicken talk. Didn't know exactly what he said, but might
as well do one quick walk around since we're here. This is Big Jim. Giveaway vehicle. Go to classiccarrevivals.myshopify.com. If you spend $20, you get 2 entries. Or you can buy a sticker for $20 and get 2 entries. Every $20 is an entry till the 8th.